We started our orchard. We got 3 apple trees, and we have a red delicious apple, and the other ones I cannot remember the name of it, but I am super excited because get out of the garden and through the cornfield again. Check it out. We have gotten different kinds of fruit trees and blueberry bushes, but this right here is why I'm so excited. A black cherry tree and a hazelnut tree. The hazelnut tree and the cherry tree mean a lot to me because of my grandma's garden. So I am so happy to be able to have my own cherry tree and a hazelnut tree. So yay! And look at all these blueberry bushes. That means a lot of digging. And we lost a whole bunch of peaches and tangerines, nectarines, I'm sorry, on the way over here because of the wind. Got to kind of blow them off, but it's all good. I didn't expect any fruit this year anyway, so. And the day is just giving. We just come back up here and let me show you the corn. It is looking really good after the second time around that he dug it all up again. It's finally popping up. Let me show y'all.
Gizmo just run through our corn in 4-wheel drive.
He did. Check it out.
Second time's a charm.
We're gonna have some corn coming up this time.
Incredible.
Is it a sweet corn?
It's just, yeah, sweet corn called incredible. Never tried it before, but everybody says it's awesome.
And they said that the chickens would really like it too. So.
And
Gizmos keep walking over it. Get out of there.
Yeah, come here. Get out of the corn.
And we got beans coming up. It's like a little here and there, but the beans are coming up too. So we're gonna have beans here, beans at the house, but lots of corn here. So this one right here, also our second field of corn is popping up. So yeah, life is good. God is good, that's for sure. The pine tree didn't make it, so we had to pull it back up, and we just got another tree for it instead. So, but let me show you this cornfield right here. You probably don't care, but I'm still excited to show it to y'all. We got a few popping up, but not very many, so I don't know if this is gonna do really good.
So this is it's repeller, and Gizmo's gonna be our guinea pig, but guinea dog. Gizmo, come here. See what this smells like. Come here. Come here. See if he's gonna snarl it up. Well, I hope that's not an indication because he's like, okay, I'll eat it.
Gizmo, no, you cannot have that. You gotta be closer.
Here, she's new to that.
He don't have no sense.
No, you don't go to it no more. But I guess it's working.
You have to be watered it.
So I don't have to expect this to come over here and finding my iris out here. So I'm going to go ahead and put them back in the ground and cover them back up, because if not, they're going to get dried out and they're going to die on me. So I'm going to put that real quick back in there. So I went ahead and put my irises back in place. I cannot understand what would get in here and dig up irises. I really don't get it. But whatever it was, it went crazy. And it is so muddy here today that makes it really hard to walk on this mud. So a mucky mess, so I got them back in. But yeah, I don't get it. I don't get it. So I guess this is life. I was just saying earlier, life is good. It's still good though. But what are you doing, Gizmo? What are you doing? Go away, you stinker. Go. He's just all over the place. So we're going to go ahead and not work here today because it is muddy really bad. And we're not going to be able to get anything. And everything, each time you move the dirt around and everything, and it's just so mucky. and the tree's going to have to wait till the next couple days until it dries up when we get back here, and then we're going to plant those trees. But I'm really, really happy about my trees. It's like a dream that I always had growing up, that, you know, I wanted a cherry tree, I wanted a hazelnut tree, and just a fruit orchard. So it's getting there. It's going to get done with time, of course. And but yeah, I really can't complain. Check out all these black raspberry right here. So we're going to have lots of black raspberries, and we're going to clear around so we can get to them this year. Mucky mess out here. Trying to put in a tractor away because we can't work today, so. A dream that is coming true. Slowly, but it's coming true. So when we get over here, and we're probably going to just keep this flower bed right here, that's the corn for our future garden, and then the other two, one there and one there, we're not going to have, because the greenhouse is going to be going right over there. And over here, I'm probably going to be putting my, maybe my blueberry bushes yet. I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to put them, but they got to get in the ground somewhere. So, but I'm not going to really look where we're going to put the trees, because that's going to be a permanent thing. So, cold here today. I mean, it's supposed to, we had some nice weather, and then Monday and next week is supposed to be like in the 80s and 90s. So summer's here, but today it's chilly. I am excited to show y'all what's happening at the house in the garden that I planted, and it's looking really good. Now I just have to stay on top of the grass that's growing in my flower bed, because if not, it's going to be a jungle in there. So I'm going to have to do that here soon when I get back to the house, and it's done somebody too. So anyway, I'll see y'all later. See you around. Check this out. This is growing here on the farm. This is a humongous tree that's growing that mushroom on. I mean, that is so freaking crazy.